Centenary Bank erina obukadde bwa $5 eri enteekateeka ez'okubunya amaanyi g'enjuba na gonna agalowoozebwako okusikizibwa amasannyalaze naddala mu bitundu gye gatannaba kutuuka. Amaanyi g'enjuba gasobolera ddala okukola okumpi okusinga n'amasannyalaze era abalina emirimu egitaataganyizibwa ebbula oba okuvaavaako kw'amasannyalaze embaati z'amaanyi g'enjuba nteekateeka gye beetaaga okujjumbira. Kati Centenary Bank bwetyo yasalawo obukadde bwa $5 ez'okuwolebwa abantu abeetaaga embaati z'amaanyi g'enjuba oba ziyite solar panels nga zino ziddizibwa wakati w'emyezi 6 n'emyaka 2 era nga looni zino zitandikirwa ku $10,000 n'obukadde $20,000. Okusinziira ku Centenary Bank, looni zino eza solar panels ziweebwa abaagala okuyunga amaka gaabwe, abakola bizinensi ssaako n'amakolero amatonotono so nga n'abaagala embaati z'amaanyi g'enjuba mu by'obulimi baakuganyulwa mu nteekateeka eno. Ndi Ongeso Godwin Mark ne Kayumba Stephen wano mu Kampala.
Thank you. Your Excellency, the President, members of the party. Today we have visitors that allow me to have the permission to introduce them. I will start with our visitors in Uganda under the Inter-Party Coalition for Dialogue. We've started talking to each other. We realize that Uganda is so beautiful and peaceful and accommodative to everybody. We are not enemies, but we are friends in a way that we cooperate for the future of this country. I have my colleagues, Secretary Generals and the IPOD, that I request that you allow them mention their names and their political party. Thank you so much. UPC! I know you are NRM, but I'm UPC. I have to greet you in our usual language, the way we greet each other. So you just greet me like this, UPC! Thank you very much. I bring apologies from my colleague, especially the FDC Secretary General, Honorable Nathan Nanda Mafabi, who is organizing his function, the welcome home in Mbale. But Honorable Siranda Gerard Blacks is around. If the protocol could allow him, he's seated somewhere there, he could come and greet people, he's also around. I am Fred Bill, the Secretary General of UPC. I have read your speech, Mr. President. I think we all share what you've done, what you've talked about in your speech. That is fighting poverty, ignorance, and disease. So we share this mission. Thank you very much. DP oye! Uganda oye! Thank you so much, Right Honorable, for this invitation. My name is Dr. Siranda Gerard Blacks. By the grace of God, I am the Secretary General of the oldest party on this continent, the second oldest party on the continent, but also, Right Honorable, the party where the president belonged before. I want to appreciate you and pray that multi-party dispensation will thrive if every institution builds the democracy that one sees. We believe that our presence here is a sign that we can coexist, and this nation can flourish if we fight the tendencies of extremism and radicalism. We believe that this is the time for us to walk and move a journey as a country, even when we belong to different entities and ideologies. And I want to request Right Honorable and the President, Your Excellency, that under your leadership, we use this opportunity to build a true multi-party dispensation that all of us belong to as a nation. I want to appreciate you, Right Honorable Todong, for chairing us well, and we believe we are heading in the right direction. Thank you so much. I bring you greetings from my leader, the Honorable Norbert Mao, and we also thank you for allowing us to work together. Yes, this nation can all move if we are together. Thank you so much. I wish you nice deliberation and all the best.
My name is Lawrence Serwambalakabagabe. I'm the Executive Director of Interparty Organization for Dialogue, IPOD. We want to thank you, Your Excellency, for the support you have extended to IPOD and the entire government of Uganda for institutionalizing and committing to dialogue, resolving Uganda's political problems through dialogue. We want to thank you, and we wish everybody in the National Resistance Movement here present during this delegates conference good deliberations. I thank you.
Excellency, for giving us this opportunity to allow our friends from other political parties in Uganda. They are learning from NRM and they keep appreciating what we do. Members, this is a sign that we must coexist with each other for the future and the peace, the stability of Uganda. Mr. President, allow me in the same spirit introduce the Secretary Generals from other fraternal African countries that have joined us in this conference. I have a letter from the chairperson of the Russian Federal Republic. I'll read it when other friends are making solidarity statements tomorrow. We have Comrade Professor Paul Logale Jumi, the Secretary General of the South Sudan People's Movement, SPLM. May you stand up for recognition. The Secretary General of SPLM is here with us. We have in our midst Honorable Amas Salam Ali Salem, representing the Republic of Sahrawi. You're most welcome. We have the Secretary General of the United Democratic Alliance of Kenya, UDA, Senator Hassan Omar Hassan. You're most welcome with all your delegation. Mr. President, we have solidarity message from the Communist Party of China. I will read when other members are making their comments and solidarity messages. We have Honorable Ruindi Bengin from the CNDD-FDD of Burundi. You're most welcome. We have Comrade Laurel Josephine Rojas Ruiz from Venezuela. Mr. President, we have a delegation which is headed by the Deputy Secretary General of the African National Congress, ANC, of Africa, of South Africa. You're most welcome. We have Ambassador Welas Gashamage, the Secretary General of Rwanda Patriotic Front. Thank you so much for coming. And other dignitaries, we shall introduce them tomorrow when these friends are making solidarity messages. Mr. President, in the same spirit, allow me to recognize our former leaders who are here with us. We have the Vice President Emeritus, His Excellency Muse Edward Shwanuka Sekande. Thank you so much for joining us. We have the former Vice President, Professor Gilbert Bukenya. Thank you for joining us. We have the Right Honorable John Patrick Amama Mbabazi, the former Prime Minister and the former Secretary General of NRM, together with Mrs. Jacqueline Mbabazi. Thank you so much and congratulations for the recent election. We have the former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Chintu Musoke. Thank you for joining us. We have the former Chief Justice, Stephen Kavuma. Thank you for joining us. We have the former Secretary General, the Right Honorable Justin Kasule Lumumba. Thank you for joining us. We have the former Speaker of East African Legislative Assembly, Right Honorable Margaret Ziwa. And in the same spirit, we have the former Speaker of the East African Legislative Assembly, Right Honorable Danfred Chidega. Mr. President, with your permission, allow